Using the Citation Maker is easy. Click on the Citation Maker link and the Citation Maker webpage appears. On the left you see categories of different websites typically used in research. Included in the list are printed materials as well as online resources. This demonstration will focus on resources found on the World Wide Web. On the right you see a form that consists of a title area, a sample area, and an area of blank fields and field names. When you find data, whether it is a fact or a figure, a quote, or an idea, and you use it in your report, you must acknowledge the ownership rights of those materials. Field names on the form identify the information you should put in each field. There are two challenges with the Citation Maker. You have to determine what type of web resource you used in your report and select the corresponding radio button on the left. Sometimes it is not obvious under which category a website falls. Sometimes one website can fall into several categories. For this tutorial, we'll stick with some basic examples with an understanding that if you have difficulty deciding what type of website you are using, your college librarian or teacher will help you. Let's look at the different types of websites that you might use in a homework assignment. Two examples of a World Wide Web encyclopedia include encyclopedia.com and Wikipedia. An example of websites that fall under the category of other reference books include all online almanacs. Examples of online magazines include PC Magazine and Time Magazine Online. There are literally thousands of online newspapers. Two examples include USA Today Online and New York Times. At YouTube, you find examples of video clips. At NPR, you find audio clips. Each time a different radio button is selected, the form on the right will change to accommodate the required information needed for an appropriate MLA citation. Filling in the empty form on the right is not difficult. Make sure you select the correct web resource, then click a field box and enter the appropriate information about the website and where you obtained the data used in your report. In many cases, you will have to act like a detective to locate all of the tracking information needed for an acceptable citation. Sometimes you can't find the information because it's not given. It's not unusual for a student to call or correspond with the website's owner to obtain appropriate information. Sometimes you just have to look hard and long to find what is needed to fill out the citation form. At other times, the website displays the citation in the correct format. After filling out the form, there are two steps to complete in order to view the citation. First, click on the Save Citation button. Doing so processes the form. Don't be alarmed if the content of the form disappears. Your second step is to click on the Show My Citations link found at the top of the page. At this point, all you have to do is select the citation, copy it, and paste it into your word processing document. Well, you have seen how the Citation Maker works. You will be using it frequently in this class. If you have any questions, just remember to ask your teacher. This concludes this presentation on how to use the Citation Maker.